Peace is not found, it's created. It is not a destination you arrive at, but a path you choose to walk, step by step, breath by breath. It is the quiet architecture of the soul, built intentionally in the midst of life's inevitable noise. And sometimes, creating peace means walking away from chaos, not as an act of surrender, but as a declaration of self-worth. It is the wisdom to know which battles are not yours to fight. You don't owe your energy to every argument. You are not required to attend every drama you're invited to. Your silence is a valid response. Your stillness, a powerful boundary. Let go of the need to explain, to justify, to be understood by everyone. Your inner world is sacred ground. Peace doesn't mean life is quiet, it means your mind is. It is the ability to hear the storm rage outside while tending to the gentle flame within. The moment you choose peace over reaction, you reclaim your narrative. You take back your power, not with a shout, but with a quiet, steady breath. Protect your peace. Guard it with gentle determination. Treat it not as a luxury, but as the very foundation upon which a joyful life is built. Protect it like your life depends on it, because your happiness does.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.